Hi everyone, my name is Chenxing. I'm a commercial filmmaker with over 10 years of experience, currently based in Canada. Recently, as a passion project, I built a little iPhone app for AI chatting called Chatika. Chatika is a free, private, fast, and very straightforward AI chat client for iPhone users. With Chatika, you can use your iPhone to talk to any compatible AI models ever made public through the proper APIs. Once set up, you can send text and images, freely change the models and providers anytime, anywhere in a chat. And you can perform web search to get models with most updated online info. For example, the Canadian federal election result, which just came out 2 days ago. Chatika places persona at the central position of the app. Personas are the roles you want AI models to play. The app ships with some presets, but you may also create and edit by yourself and switch personas during a chat. If you like the settings of a chat, you can save these settings as templates for fast new chat creations. So you can have Cloud 3.7 as a writer, GPT 4.1 as a personal trainer as another template. Besides those essential features, Chatika also implemented some quality of life improvements on chat experience, like quote and ask. Display the thinking process for reasoning models like Deepseek R1. Navigating between prompts. Manage chat history by favoriting chats, group select and delete. Fork chats from any point of the conversation, with which you won't lose the context when you trace down a subtopic during chat. You can also switch between dark and light schemes, and switch between regular and large font sizes. So, that's roughly what Chatika does so far. At the core, it is just a simple AI chat client that bridges between you and API providers. So you are not bounded to any particular company, but instead, you have the full freedom of choices. And since you're using APIs, you only pay for what you use, no subscription. Plus, many providers offer free models or free credits to start with. For example, I bought $20 credit on Openrouter back in January, and after pretty regular use, I still haven't used it up. Another important thing is that some models are less restricted when you're accessed through third-party clients, because the stricter limitations are usually just on the app layer, not the models themselves. Chatika is directly interacting with models themselves. No extra layer of restriction is in the way. If any of this sounds interesting to you, please feel free to check out Chatika on the App Store. It should work with any iPhone or iPad that runs iOS 17.1 or higher. It's free and it will stay that way. It is just my personal passion project as a curious filmmaker during those cold Canadian winter nights. It's far from perfect, but I will keep polishing it and maybe open source it later. Thank you for your time and thank you for supporting indie developer. Take care and happy chatting. Please leave an App Store rating and review if you like it.